Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. This is Ayat Aleen Sheikh and today I'm gonna start that is a chapter second of science subject. The name is microorganism, friend and foe. So what is a microorganism? So as its name suggests, something that is very small in size. That is very small in size and it's an organism, so it's a living things. So we can say that there is something that is a very small inside and it's a living organism. Now you can understand like we can see several kinds of plants and animals around us. Okay. Apart from these, there are some more living organisms that we cannot see with an unaided eye. We need microscope, then only we can see because they are too much small in size. These organisms known as microorganism. That is known as microorganism or microbes. Okay. So you can take an example like if you might have seen that when a bread gets spoiled, there are some grayish or white patches. These are because of fungus. Fungus is also a microorganism. Okay. So we can say that if I divide the microorganism in four groups, like it is a microorganism. These are classified into four groups. First, that is known as the bacteria. In fungi, there is a protozoa. And here is algae. These all are microorganisms. Bacteria, the example of bacteria you can see when there is a lactobacillus bacteria that helps for making curd. From milk to it is converted milk to curd. That is known as there is a bacteria which is known as a lactobacillus. Fungi, first you should have learned that it's a single cellular. The bacteria is a single cell. It is a single cell. Fungi is a multicellular. It is a multicellular. Protozoa is a single cell. And algae could be multi or single. Both exist. Algae single. Some are single, some are multi. Okay. So fungi, you can have an example like bread mold, penicillium, protozoan that are amoeba, paramecium, and the algae that is a quite a different name, Chlamydomonas. And Spirogyra. Okay. Bacteria, you can see, in previous chapter I told you that is a rhizobium. Remember? Rhizobium, which is also bacteria. Rhizobium bacteria that fixes the nitrogen in soil. Rhizobium bacteria and lactobacillus, it is also a bacteria. Lactobacillus. Got it? So these all are microorganisms that you need to see with the help of microscope. That fungi you can see with the magnified glass, but except these all can be seen only with the help of microscope. Getting algae, you can see where you can see these algae. Algae actually you can see in the stagnant water on the damp soil. Okay, and the microorganism, they can live anywhere. You can find the microorganism anywhere, everywhere. everywhere. They can range from cold climate to desert, marshy land, even everywhere. Inside the body, you can find that a microorganism. So some microorganisms that are very helpful to human, and that are some microorganisms that are not helpful, that are harmful. So we will discuss about that later. But before that, one more thing, that is a virus. What is the virus? Virus is also a microscopic, but it is quite different from the microorganism. Actually, virus look like a dead in outside the body. It needs a virus. It needs a host organism. It just need host organism. Just needs the host organism. It could be bacteria, it could be plant, it could be animal, but it needs a organism, host organism. Outside the body, outside it looks like a dead. When it when it get inside the cell, it active rapidly. So it replicates only inside the cell of host organism, that is bacteria, plants, animals, whatever, but it needs a cell, a host organism. It needs, you might have heard the Nipah virus, Zika virus, coronavirus. It replicates actively inside the cell, but outside the cell it's like a dead, but it is not a dead, but it's like a dead, but inside the cell it is replicates very rapidly. Getting? So these is known as the virus. There are some diseases that you should learn. There are some like viral diseases that are cold, influenza, that is also known flu, cough, that is a common, okay. Except this, there are polio, chickenpox, and definitely Nipah virus, Zika virus, or coronavirus. These all are the virus. This is caused by viruses. Viruses decide. Okay, this is caused by viruses. Some are bacterial diseases. Bacterial diseases, that is a typhoid and TB, that is known as tuberculosis. These are the bacterial diseases. Then there are protozoa, that is dysentery and malaria. Malaria, it is a protozoan disease by Anopheles mosquitoes. Okay, so these all are diseases that you should have learned as well. So this is all about the microorganism. We will discuss more about the microorganism. So thank you for watching.